Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and edit journal entries on Ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started with using the application. So first thing you need to keep in mind is that you need a pro subscription to be able to use the Ladder application, either that or the free trial that is offered to you once you open up the application for the first time. So from here, we can get started with editing our journal entries. So basically, to edit a journal entry, we are going to tap on a specific entry we wish to change. If you do not have your workouts right here, you're going to go to the theme section right here first to choose the theme that you want to be a part of and whose workouts you're going to follow, and from here we can start those workouts. So we can tap on the workout that we want to go ahead and follow, and now as you can see, once we go and scroll down, we can go and take a look at our journal. From where we can edit journal entries, and you can tap on any of the exercises right here, and it's going to enable you to go ahead and edit the set times, effort, reps, and so on. You even have your notes right here that you can go ahead and input into your journal entries, and this is how to go ahead and get started with editing them during your workout. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to channels. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.